How to change spark plugs, step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to change your spark plugs like a pro. Why spark plugs matter. Spark plugs play a critical role in your engine. They ignite the air-fuel mixture, causing combustion and powering your vehicle. A worn-out spark plug can affect performance, fuel efficiency, and even cause misfires. Tools you'll need: spark plug socket, universal joint, socket wrench set, extensions, compressed air, silicone grease. Step 1. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal on your battery to avoid any electrical issues while working. Step 2. Remove any obstructions. Clear anything blocking access to your spark plugs. In my case, I had to remove the air intake hose. Start by disconnecting the MAF sensor. Press down on the tab and pull it back. Next, take off the air filter cover by unclipping the tabs. Then, use an 8mm socket. Note, your vehicle may use a different size to loosen the hose clamp. Now, remove the intake hose assembly. Step 3. Disconnect the PCV hose. Press the clips on both sides of the PCV hose to release it. The clips expand the ring, allowing the hose to slide off easily. Step 4. Clean the area with compressed air. Before removing any spark plugs, blow out any debris around the spark plug wells to prevent dirt from falling in. No air compressor? No worries, you can grab a can of compressed air at Walmart for under $10. Step 5. Remove the ignition coils. Start by unplugging the coil's electrical connector. Then use a 7mm socket to remove the coil bolt. Carefully wiggle the coil out, don't force it. Step 6. Clean inside the spark plug tunnel. Once the coils are out, blast compressed air into each spark plug well. Dirt or debris in the tunnel can stop you from properly removing the spark plugs or damage the threads. Step 7. Remove the spark plugs. Using your spark plug socket and extension, loosen and remove the plug. Pro tip: hold the extension straight with one hand and rotate with the other. Avoid working at an angle, this can strip the threads. Step 8. Install the new spark plugs. Check if your manufacturer recommends using anti-seize or silicone grease. Mine didn't. Always start threading the new plug by hand to avoid cross-threading. Then use a torque wrench to tighten to your vehicle's spec. Mine was 25 Nm. Step 9. Apply silicone grease if needed. Put a bit of silicone grease on the inside of the coil boot to prevent moisture and corrosion. Step 10. Reinstall the ignition coils. Slide the coil back in and secure the bolt with your socket wrench. Once it's flush, give it an extra half turn. Reconnect the electrical connector. Repeat the process. Repeat this process for each spark plug, one at a time. Doing them individually helps avoid mixing things up. The only time I needed a universal joint was for the plug in the back. It made accessing tight spaces a lot easier. My go-to setup: spark plug socket plus universal joint plus extension. Final steps. Once all plugs are replaced, reinstall everything exactly how you took it off: intake hose, sensors, PCV hose, etc. Important note: not all engines are the same. I'm working on a V8 Triton, so I had to replace 8 spark plugs. Depending on your engine, you might have 4, 6, 8, or even 16 plugs if you're running a Hemi. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Until next time, stay safe, and have an awesome day.